Doing an unboxing here for the Teamgee 14-inch laptop screen extender. This gives you a second screen in order for you to be able to work remotely while you're away from the office and increase your productivity while traveling. Let's take a look at some of the stuff you get inside the box. The first thing I got with this laptop screen extender is this nice little carrying case. Inside, there's more than enough room to put your laptop screen extender right in there. Also has this nice little pocket. You get 3 cables with this model. Depending on your laptop, you may need 1 or 2 of these 3. The first thing they give you is this HDMI to USB-C. The cool thing is that the USB-C actually plugs into the screen, which we'll get to in a second. For newer laptops, you may choose to use the double USB-C as shown right here. We have a right angle one and you have a straight one. This allows you to connect your laptop via that method. In the event that the screen does not power on, in that case, they include a USB-A to USB-C. The USB-C connects to the screen itself, and then this plugs into a power source, just like a phone charger, for example. This particular one has lots of really good features that I was more than happy with. Let's take a look at the device itself. This is a full 14 inches. It will clasp onto the back of almost any laptop up to 17 inches in size. This right here goes to the top. You slide that right in, and this is your laptop screen. Let's take a look at this one in action. First, we're going to show you a small Dell 14-inch Latitude that I am putting on the back of this. I'm going to put this 14-inch screen right next to it. Let's go ahead and get one of my 17-inch machines. And this one right here will go right up there on the back. Now you have a 17-inch and a 14-inch. Everything plugs in right here in the back, making your cables less visible. On the back of the clamp that actually goes onto your laptop, there is a kickstand. Now this kickstand is adjustable. You just give it a twist, pull down, and adjust to your height or preference. There are these little notches that when you turn it one way and then turn it again, it locks in place, thus keeping the kickstand steady. I would highly recommend using the kickstand. On the back of this, you can see that we've got several USB-C connectors. Now, there's USB-C 1, USB-C 2, and there is one that says HDMI. Out of the cables you do get one here that has HDMI to USB-C. The USB-C connects here, the HDMI plugs into your laptop. Then you have your other options. One will be for power, one will be for USB-C to USB-C. Once you have this attached, you go into your operating system settings, go into your display settings, enable the device in a way that works best for your productivity. If you want to have both screens mirrored, you can do that. If you want to configure it so that it extends the display, you can do that. And once this display is extended, you can set it into portrait mode. If you want to use it like this, I would recommend weighing this down. For those of us who need all the instructions, it is really just nothing more than a quick guide. It is a simple one-pager, gives you some quick tips and tricks. There's some safety recommendations as far as how to remove the cable. I would highly recommend following those instructions. I really hate going down to one screen. This one gives me an option to bring at least one additional screen in a safety protective case that is easy to transport and also slides in right to my laptop bag. This one is available on Amazon. Teamgee actually sent me this particular screen at no cost to me to give it a quick trial run and to create this demo video for you. Teamgee is keeping the customer in mind. The aesthetics of this particular product are nice. There isn't that glossy and or matte finish that can show fingerprints. They actually are considering the aesthetics and what it looks like to the customer. fact that it comes with a carrying case. What's the point of having a laptop screen extender if you don't have a way to transport it safely? It's an LED screen. The image quality is pretty standard for anything that's in the 1080p realm. It does have an anti-glare coating on it. There was no flicker in the image as I used it, and I pulled up spreadsheet, watched videos on it, and I was relatively impressed with the quality. There are built-in speakers. I personally think that this is a win, especially when on the go and when you're accustomed to multiple screens. My name is Teamgee, and I'm signing off on this one. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.